Hello and welcome. My name's Elle. My husband and I thought that we would start this channel. Hello and welcome. My name's Elle. My husband and I thought that we would start this channel to document our journey towards getting out of debt so that we can live our dream of an off-grid homestead and living in a tiny home. Okay. Hello and welcome. My name's Elle. My husband and I thought that we would start this channel to document our journey towards getting out of debt so that we can live our dream of living in an off-grid homestead and a tiny home. A few things that we are passionate about that we will cover on this channel are reducing our waste, budget-friendly hacks, simple living, travel, and documenting our journey towards our dream. If this sounds like fun, please hit that subscribe button. We thought, what better way to start off this channel than to give you a tour of how we are currently living. A little background. We live in a one-bedroom apartment on the 3rd floor of a 3-story building in Philadelphia, PA. Let's get into the tour.
When you come through the apartment door, you then have to go up the steps to the 3rd floor. We have a landing where we take off our shoes. The closet holds all of our jackets, the dog's leashes, and on the top shelf, we use that for tool storage. We also have a mirror, of course, to check how you look before you go out, a side table that holds our keys and sunglasses and winter items. In the bedroom, we try to keep it as minimal as possible. We, of course, have our clothing. I have a capsule wardrobe. My husband kind of follows that. We also keep our vacuum, donations, and a dresser that has additional clothing, and on top our hats, jewelry, perfume. We also have a couple art pieces that make us happy. On our bed, we just have a few pillows, our sheets, and a bedside table. Our living room is where we express our personalities and styles the most. Every piece in this space has a story, whether it be from our childhood, pieces that family and friends have created, from adventures that we've gone on together, pieces that we've found on the street, or pieces that I've created for our home on my own. This is the space that we cherish the most and love being in. It's where we spend most of our time. Our dining nook is also filled with more found or gifted pieces and artwork that we've collected on our travels, and of course, plants. We enjoy going to live concerts and have collected vinyls along the way that we listen to on our record player, and my husband is learning to play the guitar. Our kitchen is pretty standard. We have the essentials. On the ledge, we have houseplants. In this corner, we're going to be adding some shelving so that we can get the Keurig and Cuisinart off the counter so we have more prep space for when we're cooking. We are also trying to have a low-waste pantry, which is a little hard right now with COVID-19. All of the containers we use to house our food either came from the thrift store, family members, or are reused from products we bought previous to going low waste. There's some more artwork and boxes of e-waste that need to go to e-waste recycling, and then this is our island. In the bathroom, we keep it really minimal. We just have the essentials, our toothbrush, toothpaste, a candle, soap, towels. That's our apartment. Thank you so much for watching.